red with the blue, and it's gonna make purple. I have to what? We have to add a lot of glue so we can make slime.
Is it getting better?
Yeah. And this is not this way.
Is it getting slimy?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, look at this slime. It's really cool.
Wow.
People, this is so cool. This is really awesome because this is not the exactly like the other slime that was not very good.
Is this one a winner?
I'm the winner. This is really cool. Just like it. I just like it because it's just like slime, but it is, and it's so greasy, and I just love it. Get this off. Make it with borax.
Why?
Because this is not very good.
Which one?
This one. Yucky stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, I have this sticky, icky, wicky, slimy, gooey, ooey on my hands.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I love it. Okay. People don't use yucky, ducky washcloths because you have to throw them out. Now look at this alcohol.
Yeah,
For watching my video of
she dropped it.
slime.
Yeah.
Thank you for what?
Watching my video on slime.